Park Giant, and I am coming to you from the Magic Kingdom today for one reason. I have a lightning lane. I'll figure the camera out. I have a lightning lane for Tron at 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna get a night ride and my first time on it. I'm very excited. I think they broke ground on this back in about 1999, so it's been a long time coming, but I'm ready, and these last few hours are gonna feel like, I don't know, probably just a few hours, but I'm pretty excited. I don't think it'll be as good as Guardians, but maybe to prove me wrong. You never know. All right, I'm excited. I hope you're excited. Let's go have a lot of fun. Here we are. Back in the Tron Plaza for the first time. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah. The structure wasn't even complete last time I was here. I'm really excited to see it at night. Had a bunch of friends that went to Shanghai a few years ago and said it's really cool. And I've seen enough of the Orlando stuff to know what it looks like too. So can't wait to see it in person. Sun's going down and the lighting package is starting to take over on the structure, and it is super cool. Especially as the train goes by and it kind of changes with it sometimes. Awesome lighting effects. I mean, just top notch. Just what you'd expect from Disney. Glad we've got this structure here. Otherwise this would be pretty miserable right now. Beautiful sunset. Just getting ready for that night ride. What a weird day of weather.
Restraints securely fastened. Supervise young Team Blue users at all times. Attention users, you are about to be digitized into the world of Tron. For you digitized into the world of Tron.
Team Blue, welcome to the grid. Proceed to games.
So they did put in a locker system. This camera's gonna have to go away. It is 263. I wish I wasn't 6'5". This is not exactly built for me.
Prepare for Team Blue Light Cycle Run upload sequence. Remember, hold on, keep your head up, and face forward. Initiate in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, users. A championship performance and victory for Team Blue.
I picked the night ride just so... Yeah. Yeah. This looks so cool. I love the structure with all the lights. Man, that's just what Disney does so well. Yep. Some quick initial thoughts. Super fun ride. I love the launch. I don't think it's as short as a lot of people are saying. I mean, for I guess a Disney ride maybe, but for a launch roller coaster, that's pretty standard. So I don't have an issue with that. Yeah, Guardians is better, but Tron's a great addition. It's probably their best roller coaster. But in terms of total experience, Guardians wins. But Tron's no slouch. Great ride. Awesome addition. More on this later. Probably gonna get a copyright strike on this. The structure looks so cool at night. The trains look even cooler. Such awesome theming. Mountain still looks awesome at night, but Big Brother next door is the star of the show these days. Space Mountain. It's not Tron. Just love how the Disney parks come alive at night. It's a different feeling. The rain finally chased the crowds out, but the park's almost closed. So I'm making my way to the exit as well. Hey there, giant fans of fun. I just wanted to give a final review of Tron. It's been about 3 weeks now since I actually rode it, but wanted to say the more I've thought about it, it is a short ride, but like I said, it's a roller coaster, and typically roller coasters don't last that long, especially launched ones. So Disney kind of gets that unfair treatment sometimes because everything needs to be this big experience, where this is a roller coaster. I think it fits theming wise. I think the theming's great. The lighting package is absolutely incredible. It looks fantastic at night. I mean, that is what Disney does really, really well. The launch is more intense than I'd expected. But yeah, it's a really fun ride. One issue I did have for taller people, I'm gonna need to wear like thinner shoes because I got stuck in the ride for about 30 seconds. When I tried to get out, my feet were jammed so tightly in there I couldn't get them out, and I finally got the one, and then I was able to get enough leverage to get my other one to pop out too. So probably gonna wear flip-flops going forward, but just one thing to watch out for with that. Got a little scary there. I was worried we were gonna have to call maintenance in or something. So, but yeah, all in all, super fun ride. I'm gonna give it like a 7.8 out of 10. I'm probably doing the thing I just said where I'm unfairly judging it because it is Disney, but yeah, you'd like to see a little more of a complete package like Guardians, you know, if you're going into a Disney park. But I think it's a great roller coaster, and yeah, get out and ride it. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment. Have you been on Tron yet? Are you gonna ride it? Do you want to? Do you have questions about it? Let me know in the comments. Once again, thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.